All right, so I have a KitchenAid dishwasher where the upper rack fell out. All right, would not stick. Would not stick. And I was like, what the hell? Now, I'm not an expert by any stretch of imagination, but the first thing you got to do is you got to pull this thing out there so the wheels can come out. All right. You got to pull. I'm not going to do it right now because I just fixed it. But anyway, in the back, and you're not going to be able to see it, but in their back, there's this tiny little clip that holds it from falling out. So you can see, like, you can tug on it. It's just this tiny little plastic clip. And here it is. This is it. This tiny little plastic clip. And I got it from Appliance Direct. Probably cost $2 to make, $15 to ship. Now you can see my model. This is, well, not again, but this is the model right there. Is that the model? I don't know. I typed that in. This is the model here too. And I typed that in. Which one is it? Both, I guess. So I went to Appliance Direct. I typed the models in. I got these tiny little clips. I got 4 of them because I want to have 2 just because anytime I try installing something, I always break it the first time. So I said, let me get another one there. So I got 2, and this works like a charm. All right. And so anyway, I'll put a link to the Appliance Direct. I don't get paid by these guys or anything, but I had a hard time figuring out, or I had a hard time finding. And if you're wondering what that noise is, I'm just heating up some sausage. If you're I had a hard time finding it. Couldn't find it on Amazon, couldn't find it at Lowe's. So I went to this, I saw a video of Appliance Direct. I bought it. They got it here in 3 days. I'm good to go now. It's actually very, very easy to do. It's very easy to do. Just watch the guys at Appliance Direct videos. They'll show you. I did have a hard time, actually putting this back in. But you have these, I don't feel like taking it out. But basically what it is, my friends, you have 2 wheels. The bottom wheel goes in the rack. The top wheel stays above it. And well, yeah, you can kind of look. Yeah, right there. You can see that. The bottom wheel stays above the rack. The top wheel stays above the rack. The bottom wheel goes in here. So you flip this out. You put the bottom wheel in there. I'm not sure if you can see that. And that's it, man. Trust me, I am the least handy guy in the world. I know for the veterans, this seems like either like, oh, dude, you're an idiot. I don't care. I fixed it. It works. And I'm not a handy guy. And now it works. And before I was like, I don't know what to do. Well, it's actually simple when you know how to do it. But until you know how to do it, you're like, now there you go. So that's how you fix your KitchenAid or KitchenAid upper rack from falling apart. All right, we're falling out. We'll see you.